Welcome. T-Post here, your spirit guide that's not on the other side. Each week I bring you an inspirational message to help you feel more capable and perhaps more courageous in life. So let's get to it. This week it's about adventure. Would you like to have one? An adventure where the outcome is unknown. It must be unknown, uncertain. You can't know what the outcome is if you're going to have a real adventure. And a real adventure demands a lot from you. It may ask from you more than you think you have to give. And you'll have to give up some cherished old beliefs along the way. That once gone, you will not miss. And you will have to be present, deeply present in the moment, often, to access your gifts and your talents and your abilities. And you'll have to let go and trust, divinely trust, that the universe will meet your needs along the way. This is an adventure, your life. And there will be clues all around you to light your way. Some will be so subtle. Stay awake. And fear will arise. What's an adventure without fear? See it for what it is. A warning you take into consideration briefly. It wants to convince you that you're not up to the adventure. Perhaps that you're not good enough or that you're all alone. Know that this is all BS. An adventure always requires big choices. It always includes big choices. The choice of what direction to go in at crossroads, and the choice of what to and not to believe during the journey. And most of all, this adventure requires heart. Big heart. So be open to receiving guidance that will light your way. Believe in yourself. Ask for what you need. And most of all, be present. Be playful and be kind. This is your adventure. Have a good one. See you next week.